Hello viewer, are you facing ChatGPT image generation problem? Let's see how to fix ChatGPT image generation problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on apps. Now search ChatGPT. Click on ChatGPT. Now scroll down and tap on storage. From the lower right corner, clear cache data from ChatGPT app. Now go back to your home screen and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search ChatGPT. From here, update your ChatGPT application. After complete the update process, follow the third step. Again, open your phone setting. Tap on connection setting. From here, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable. Then go back to your home screen and follow the fourth step. Tap and hold on your phone's power button. Restart your phone and then reopen it. So follow all of this step to fix ChatGPT image generation problem.